Hello everyone, this is Jaya Lakshmi from GHN College Commerce Faculty, Gangavati. So we are got an MOU with an skill plus Deshpande skilling program, and this is very glad to us. We are running with a PG sector and UG and 2 degrees of a BA, BCom and MCom also. This is showing that in the last 2 years back we are with an only academic base. So after academics, what is next to our students means we had gone within this skill plus program, and this is very important for all the degree students to have a skilling base. So only academics is not important, along with that the skills are also important. So to run the future and to know the very good opportunities what are there, for that there is need of skills that is given by this Deshpande Skill Plus program. For that I am very thank, and we are very immense presence of them. We are doing everything towards the future's life, where we are showing the good, important and very bright for them. So this is with our college and our management compensations, and along with that the MOU with an Deshpande skill. My number showing that along 28 to 30 people are appointed from the last 2 years, and as many people are granted with skills. Means having a skill is not only for the having job, it is also for the doing entrepreneurship also. Many people are done entrepreneurship business who are with our students also in a number of kinds. We were showing with a last one candidate called as Srihari Holla, who is in a running with a 5th SEM. He has been taken up the training program in a running with the 6th SEM, and he has been appointed. He got an appointment letter from the MNC companies, and now he is presenting his future job. I mean, he is in a training with a company, and he is appointed with a scale called as 9 point something lakhs of per month. So this is one of the most achievement with the MOM of Skill Plus Deshpande program. Along with that, many people are done with this. This is showing not only education with showing the future is very important with a management course and with an as a teaching faculty with us. This is glad to us to have an MOU with this. Thank you.